Good morning. So right now we're in the Walmart pickup location waiting on our groceries because my parents are coming, so they ordered some groceries in advance that we're just picking up. So that way they have food whenever they come because we're just bad planners this week.
Don't mind me.
So yeah, so right now we're doing that, and then we're gonna go back home and drop everything off, and then we're going to look at cars. Because we have to get a new car now. I know you haven't really been in the loop, but I've kind of been explaining in videos like the nonsense that's been going on this week.
I mean, like you getting booted.
Yeah.
Us not having our car
rant.
titles.
Yeah, I talked about that a little bit yesterday about us not having the car titles and how stressful that was. And then the fact that I drive all the way back to Marietta again.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a process, but we're hoping.
It has been.
Yeah, we're hoping today goes better with the car looking process. Is he getting his groceries right now? I just want to know, like, do we have to get out of the car and look at the groceries?
Yeah.
Okay.
He is.
Oh, well, he's also putting it in the passenger seat. We don't know what to do here. We've never done this. So this is kind of a learning experience.
This is stupid. There's 3 different sets of lines. There's yellow lines, white lines, and orange lines.
But I understood it. I got it because you are clearly supposed to park within the orange lines because this is the pickup zone. But we're in, like, an actual parking garage that used to be just, like, normal parking. So, of course, there's yellow and white lines because it used to be normal parking. And then you're supposed to park in the orange zone because orange means pickup.
But if I park in the orange zone, I can't pull forward. I've got to back up.
Yeah, I think that's...
Which I hate.
Yeah, well, too bad. You almost killed us, too, trying to
I did
park
not
in the
almost
lines.
kill you.
You did.
No.
You did. There's a car that's just, like, sitting over there with their lights on.
Yeah, it's going to kill you because you're being mean to me.
I'm not being mean to you. You're the one that almost killed us.
You heard it first here.
No.
He will, not me.
No. But yeah, so that's gonna be our day today. So we'll keep you guys updated as we go about that and how it goes. It'll be interesting to see. Oh, she's coming. On a side note though, that dude was really, really fast, and he also didn't look like he really checked the groceries. Maybe he didn't pick up like produce. Because I don't know what we're getting.
I don't know. That'd be helpful if someone told me what was happening.
Well, we don't know. It's just a surprise. But anyway, so she just came over here to ask like what the name was and for us to spell it because I don't know why she didn't ask me whenever I called her, though.
Because you didn't talk to her. Because you talked to someone else.
Yeah, but they could have they could have asked me on the phone, like... I'm just saying, they could have figured this out on their own. I have confidence that they could have figured this out on their own if they really tried. So, anyways, yeah, it's going to be an interesting day today. Hopefully a productive day. It's raining right now, which kind of sucks. And it's going to make things... interesting. I'm excited to potentially test drive some cars though. I think that'll be fun. Yeah,
we'll see how this goes. You're not supposed to look at cars in the rain and when it's gloomy because then the light doesn't reflect off it right, so you can't tell if there's anything wrong with it.
Well, we can always try tomorrow.
Also, it's cold outside, so it's gonna be hard to tell if the AC really runs or blows cold, so that's gonna be hard.
Well, you said you want to get it inspected by an actual person.
I mean, yeah, we're gonna get inspected anyway, but still, I like to, if I pick a car that I could have told you that the AC doesn't blow cold, but because it's cold outside, I don't catch that, and then the dude tells me anyway. It's just like, the things that I could catch myself if it were an optimal day, I cannot catch today, which annoys me.
At least we'll know if the heater works.
Yeah, we'll know if the heater works. Yeah, true.
I just want to point out that dude knew what he was doing. He needed to park in the orange lines.
Well, that one doesn't have the 3 sets of lines like this one does.
It has 2 sets, though. It has white and yellow and orange. I'm just saying everybody else managed to get it but you. You're just special.
I'm gonna jump out of the window.
Nothing's gonna happen. It's not like jumping out of a 2-story window.
I'm gonna jump out of the window anyway.
Anyways,
see what happens. How this weekend goes.
Yeah. It's been a rough start to the weekend and the worst week that we've ever had. So, yeah. Hopefully this weekend goes better. We're optimistic. Cautiously optimistic. But yeah, so we'll keep you guys updated and we'll start
I need more
rambling.
suckers.
We can go into Walmart and get them.
SOS.
I can't. Okay, so we went and stopped and got some Krispy Kreme donuts. This is what we got. Some gingerbread, the original filled, and the chocolate. So here's the packaging and everything. Okay, so the one on the right, or on the left, is the gingerbread. The one in the middle is the original cream filled, and then the one on the right is the chocolate cream filled donut. And they turned out pretty good, especially the gingerbread one.
Hey guys, it's been a long day. We spent most of the day looking at cars. We went to a bunch of different dealerships up around Alpharetta, Georgia. We went to probably, I don't know what, you think like 10 different dealerships?
Probably, yeah, I would say 10.
Yeah, 11. Like 10 or 11 different dealerships. We found some good options. We found probably, I think we found 15 different cars that we liked. A lot of
pouring rain.
Yeah, it was like
freezing.
It was like 40 degrees today with like a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind, and it was raining all day long. So Erica has been scarred. I don't think she's ever gonna go car shopping with me again. But it wasn't fun because
It was fun the first like 2 minutes.
It was fun the first 2 minutes whenever we first found some cars that we liked. And then after that, it got kind of old. The struggle that we found was that a lot of the dealers didn't put any prices on their cars. So you'd see one that you like, and then you looked at the deals, and you're like, oh, this might be in my price range, and then there'd be no price, so you had no idea. And today, we weren't really looking to interact with the salespeople at all. We just wanted to kind of get an idea of what was out there, what we could afford, and what styles we liked. So we weren't trying to sit there for 20 minutes to an hour talking to different salespeople and having them sell us cars. So that was frustrating. But got my finger there for a second.
Sorry.
But yeah, so that was our day today. Now we're here. It's dark outside. We're going to go drive around a little bit. We're going to see what different Christmas lights there are, because Erica's been dying to do that all day long, or all year long, ever since Thanksgiving, really. So
yeah. It's been a while.
So we're going to go drive around, look at some rich neighborhoods, and see if they have some Christmas lights up.
Yeah, hopefully they do. We'll bring you guys with us and show you guys if we see anything cool. Hopefully we'll find some good locations that have some stuff. I want to see like some big Christmas lights.
Yeah, I know you do. Mm-hmm. But yeah, she's making hot chocolate to bring with us because
it's freezing.
She no longer wants to be a part of the cold. Mm-mm. So anyway.
All right. We're in our parking garage. We got our hot chocolate to help keep us warm. We're about to blast the heater, and we're gonna go look for some Christmas lights. I don't know if you guys can, okay, there we go. There's a building that's under construction, and the workers put a tree up there. How cute is that? I wish the skyline looked prettier in the video. Yeah. Because it's like, they have Christmas lights and stuff up there.
That looks so pretty, just like your plain eyes.
Yeah.
Sad, you can't really tell how awesome it is.
Right, like looking at it through the fence, and then looking at it through the glass, and then looking at it through a camera. It's not as nice. But nonetheless, still pretty. We're going by fast, but we found a house. Looks pretty cute. We're going on West Wesley Road, and this is kind of like leads to Buckhead, which is the nice area of Atlanta. So let's see if this road has anything. Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
See it?
Yeah. Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys can see it that well with the way that the camera is, but like it's Santa's sleigh going, looking like it's like flying, and then Santa in the chimney. That was such a cute idea. That's pretty cute. Very simple though. Oh, I really like the wreath on their mailbox. That was pretty. Yeah. At least with like a house actually being fully decorated. That's pretty cute. It's a winter wonderland. We have one blow up that we've seen that you can barely even see because it's so not lit up. And then this house is pretty.
Yeah, they got it on the outline.
Yeah. It's not a lot,
Reeves
but
on every single window.
yeah.
I don't know if you can see that.
It looks very tasteful.
That house had like the koi pond that you walk over to get to their house. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Like the archway on that house.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I was honestly hoping that like we would go through just a neighborhood where every single person had a light up. Like that's the neighborhood that I want to go for.
That's the neighborhood you want to live in?
Yes. Oh, that's pretty.
Merry Christmas from the Christmas station.
Very tasteful.
Mm-hmm. Like I just want every single house to be lit up. That's all I want. I feel like that's not a lot to ask. And then you just like drive through the neighborhood and it's just a winter wonderland. And everybody's just on the same page. Where does one need to live to get that? Oh, and then we're out the Christmas lights. This one looks pretty cute. This one's like lit up.
Yeah, they're like, hey, check out my bush.
I can't.
They've got an outside Christmas tree.
I know, I like that. It's very interesting.
They're like, put it outside.
Where's that fancy that we can have them outside?
They're like, we don't want to vacuum.
Yeah. Everybody's presents are going outside so that way they can get all moldy and mildewy.
So that Tyler can take them.
Yeah. Oh, there's a star.
This is just like a nice house. Like look all like those floodlights in the front.
That's really cool. Not that you guys probably care, but we're gonna show you anyways. I like how lit up it is.
Yeah, I like how they had like a candle in each window.
Oh, I didn't even. Oh yeah, I see that.
Like, kind of like a menorah type house.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, no, we
Oh wait.
Just kidding.
I'm about to get excited. Okay, so we just made a circle.
Yeah.
Cool. You can't see how cute it is through the camera.
9 till 9 and online.
That was sad. Oh my gosh, I wish we could see the houses through the camera and how nice they are and how pretty.
You know what? Let me give you guys a holiday scratcher. A holiday scratcher.
Oh my goodness, these houses.
Happy holidays.
Quite nice. They're like new too.
Yeah.
Guys, say
Some Christmas lights.
leave, please. It's the gift everyone wants. The price is up to $750,000. Get the holiday scratcher.
I like that one. Not that you can see it through the camera though.
Those sounds can be overwhelming. Digital is everywhere. You know your business needs to be where the eyes are, but who do you trust?
That's what I would want to do to my tree.
The solution.
Just deck it out.
Yep. Not have an inch of it without a light.
Results in real
They're very, very tops, but they're probably not strong enough to support
Yeah.
the lights.
Like, it's so great.
and exclusive access to our radio.com platform. Your business will have a captive audience. You're gonna like that.
They kind of got a bunch of decorations.
For you, go to intercom.com.
Hey y'all, it's Jen Hobby here, and I'm sitting down.
You guys may have to like watch the video in slow-mo in order to be able to really see all the decorations.
About their initiative to save
You want me to slow down or something?
Oh no, it's okay. I just,
Yeah, it's a dead end.
well, it's a roundabout though.
This street didn't tell me it was a dead
No.
end. Unlike the other one.
But it's at least a roundabout.
Oh,
so it's
we
not
have
like
our
you
second
to-
blow up sighting.
Oh, yay! Oh, and it's Frosty and his family.
Sausage biscuits.
It's called
Oh, they're so cute.
I know I want hash browns.
Oh, bye-bye, Frosty. And I don't remember Frosty's wife's name.
Frosted.
No, I think it was like Claire or something.
Frosty and Slushy.
No, this is why we need to watch Christmas movies and catch up on them since we haven't watched them in so long.
Killing me.
Oh, I love this tree. Or these two trees. These are my favorite. They're just in the camera. They look so cool. They look like they're glittery. Oh, you can't see it on the camera though. It's a Rudolph blow up. But it's too dark. They need to put lights on their stuff. You can't see it at night. We have one flashing light. Somebody's probably gonna kill us. That's what that indicates. You got another blow up?
Big Santa blow up.
Dang, you can't see it like through the camera because it's all so dark. Future reference for anybody who watches this, make sure you put lights on your stuff. Because like then people can't see it. That is cute.
Outline of the house.
Yeah.
They're like, look how
You just
big
can't,
my
like,
house is.
see them, right? That's literally basically what they're doing. You just can't see anything because everything's so
Here's another
dark.
blow up.
Oh, you can kind of see these since they're in the front. They're not hidden. Well, we drove by too fast. It was basically a blur. This is what I want a whole neighborhood filled with this. This is what I'm talking about in life. Like there's so much. I love this. I really wish everybody would do this. This is life. Oh, the little polar bears.
Oh, I got some more blow ups.
Oh, a lot of blow ups. Okay, so I'll never get a blow up now because of the fact that you cannot see them at night.
At least in the camera.
At least in the camera. But I mean, like, even still, oh, there's an Olaf and Sven. That's the one that I want. That was cute. But like, even still, in person, it's still hard to see them. Like, you have to really look.
Yeah.
They're not like super lit up like, you know, regular lights are.
Yeah.
I want it to be bright. I want
like
people to
these
see
ornaments
it.
on the tree right here.
That is cute. This is a cute little light set. The camera's just like having a hard time focusing, especially with some of these lights because they're so dim. I feel like Christmas is starting now. Oh, some more blow-ups. Not that you can see them in the camera. But there's some all the way right there. The camera's just like not wanting to focus. We tried. Okay, so we just got done. Oh, I wish I would have videoed the package store. They have decorations. So we just got done looking at Christmas lights, and I mean, we definitely saw some, and there were some good ones. Not as impressive as I thought it was going to be, which was a little disappointing. But I would say overall, it was pretty good for the most part.
The quality of the houses that we were seeing, Erica was thinking that they'd be dropping $10,000 on Christmas lights.
I mean, I would have.
But
That like, because I
that was
mean, the
not the
celebrities do that. That I've seen in the past.
Yeah.
So that's why I was expecting, like, if you're rich enough to have a $4 million house, why not spend some money on the Christmas lights?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, that's what I would do, personally. But, yeah, we saw some good houses, some good lights, and it was pretty entertaining for the most part. We spent like an hour doing it, I would say.
Yep.
I think it's exactly an hour now. And we're about to be back at the apartment, and we're going to go home and go to bed because we're exhausted.
Yep.
So we'll see you guys next time.